Welcome back to another video. Today we have the best tool deals for Home Depot. Holiday deals. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon so we can buy more tools like this. Make for to review videos. That's the way YouTubers platform by subscribing and likes. So help out the channel by doing so. To start here, we got this hose here. This is 1797, 1/4 inch by 50. It's a really light, meant for the people that are in the second story and stuff like that, you know, have to carry their hoses up there. You got a touch system organizer here, pretty nice. 488 and 688 for the power lock tape measure, and the multi a 6-in-1 screwdriver. As you guys see there, it's pretty old school tape measure there. $49.97 for the 55-piece slim head ratchet mechanics tool set. It is kind of like a low profile ratchet here. 72 tooth, 55 pieces. Personally, I would just go with the regular set. Pretty much the one that's next, like this one. I would definitely go for something like this, something more complete, something more serious. The other one's good if you want to save space and stuff like that, but there's just not enough. You know, this one has a lot more. 90 tooth has a lot more sizes. It's just a very complete kit, and I would just definitely go for this one. $119 for the 22 Pro tool chest combo from Ratchet. It's a pretty nice set to get into. This is very comparable for with the DeWalts and the packouts. $8.97 and $11.97 for the 12-inch or the 9-inch blades, pruning blades. And I believe these are, you know, you're able to cut nails and metal with these too. They are carbide. $79, 18 gauge brad nailer. This is from DeWalt. Does come with a nice case. So, and then you got the framing nailer. 3.5, $199. And this is not battery operated. This is still pneumatic. Alright, you got the rear handle kit, $249. Then you got the 2 batteries, 2 6-amp batteries, which they are in stock. Then they got the 3-pack there for $149. Alright guys, you got the 3 tool combo kit, $5.99. You get 3 free tools. That's a really good deal. You got a 2 tool combo kit with 2 free tools, $3.99. That's a really good deal too. Then you got the 2 battery combo, one free tool for $1.99. Most of these are already out. The battery deals are already out, but they do have one of these $5.99 in stock, and they do have the $3.99 in stock. You guys will see it. You guys can choose from any of the tools at the bottom. Obviously, the FlexBolt Advantage tools are the ones to get, like that circ saw there on the right, the reciprocating saw, FlexBolt Advantage reciprocating saw, and the FlexBolt Advantage angle grinder are the tools to get with these deals. It's just to, you know, really good. And actually this blower is pretty nice too, so if you're looking for a blower, that's a pretty good deal on that one. But definitely the ones to get are the FlexBolt Advantage. You got $149 for the 3-pack there, and then you got a 2-pack for $99 for 3-amp hour batteries. Got the oscillating tool and the sander and the quarter sheet sander there. So that is the 3-pack or the 3-tool combo kit with FlexBolt Advantage tools. $5.99. You get 3 free tools, and that is the 2 free tool kit. I can't talk today. I need my my coffee, my caffeine. And guys, they did add more tools. I don't know if you guys noticed, but we made a video about 2 weeks ago that we could get this bandsaw, this deep cut bandsaw. That was a killer deal. And then you can get those tools too. Alright, so $199 impact wrench and a ratchet. Impact driver or drill driver for $99. Those are kits. So definitely check them out. And I heard that the battery deals, they already sold out. So they put this $229 impact driver drill driver in there. And then they put this $349 kit there for you guys to get a buy one get one free. So you can choose from any of these tools on the bottom. A lot of these tools are fuel, so you can choose from those top of the line fuel tools, especially that blower. I personally have that blower. That's a killer deal on that blower. And the 100 reciprocating saw, the router, the jigsaw, the screw gun, those are all fuel tools, and that surge tool is a fuel tool. And that rubber light, that's a nice rubber light there too. That is the blower there, and then the screw gun on the right. You got the $399 kit there on the left. And there's the rubber light there at the bottom, 169. That's a good light. Got the speaker there, 179. So that's definitely the tools to get. You got the sander there for 129. Not necessarily the best deal, but if that's what you need, same thing with this. They already ran out of the top of the line impact driver and hammer drill there. You got the sticker sold out. The one to get is the rear handle circ saw, 249. You get two fives with that. You got impact driver drill drive for 249, or the two batteries for 179. That's a killer deal there. Choose from any of the ones at the bottom, including that X-Lock angle grinder. That's one of the newest, the Ratchet. There's just a lot of tools. That blower is really nice, really powerful. You got the radio. That's a nice radio to have with this kit. Circ saw. Tool not to get is the inflator, and definitely not the inflator, because that's cheaper. You can purchase that later if you guys want to get your free tool with the most expensive. Those are probably the ones to get. Like I said. But yeah, the angle grinder, both of those angle grinders are pretty good. You can choose from this kit too. 149. There's a basic tools, impact driver, drill driver for 149. These are 249. This is one of the kits you can buy and get yourself a free tool. And some of the free tools you guys can get is the impact driver, the drill, the vacuum there, 89 bucks, which is not worth it really. It is a good vacuum, but it's not worth it to get as a free tool. You got the 3-pack of diamond blades, 29. That's a killer deal on that. I ended up picking myself one of those, and you got the Ratchet. Guys, they do have these in stock at this store, $14.88. So if you guys are in local here in Phoenix, Arizona, these are at Mesa. So definitely check out that Mesa store. If you guys want me to give you guys the exact Mesa store, let me know down in the comment section so you guys can go get your tools, your right angle adapters there. Alright, so this is brad nailer. This is 18 gauge brad nailer. You got some more brush tools. Most of these are brushed, especially I would definitely go for that light. I think that's one of the better ones from this bunch here. But yeah, these are non-fuel tools. Just keep that in mind. This is a really good deal here. This is a 15-piece titanium drill bit set, $14.97, basically $1 a piece. If you guys do the math, that's a really good deal on that. Then you got impact driver drill driver for $1.99. Not necessarily like the better deals over there. If you pay 30 bucks more, 20 bucks more, I believe you get a free tool. So definitely go with the other deal, not with this deal. You got a 5-tool combo kit here, $2.99. Like I said, not the best deals. Same thing with this 12 amp hour battery, $2.49. Last year we did have this as one of the free tools you guys could get. I managed to get 2 of those. I was lucky. But yeah, this year they don't have that. 69 bucks for the screwdriver kit. That's a nice deal there. That's actually a pretty good deal. You got 169 for nailer, 18 gauge brad nailer and finish nailer. 179 for the 18 gauge brad nailer with the clean drive technology. And then you got a digital inflator, 49 bucks, $99 for the 2-pack of 4 amp hour batteries. You got a subcompact brushless impact driver kit, or you can get the drill driver, pretty much the kits. So you guys see there for 99 bucks, not too bad. And there's a 2-pack of 4 amp hour batteries there for 99 bucks. And then you got the nailers there, the 2-pack of nailers. Alright, this is a good deal, guys. These deals are live. I don't know if you guys saw my video from yesterday, but these deals are live online. You guys could hack them online. You guys could buy any of these tools on the right or up at the top and get a free amp hour battery. If you guys return the battery, you guys are going to get these tools for $110. That's a killer deal. These are brand new tools, brand spanking new tools. Alright, you got some drill bits here. You got some 2-inch bits, Phillips. Some more of the deals, the buy one get one free deals. These are the impact wrenches, $199. Same thing with this bandsaw, $199. Like I said, after you guys return that battery, you guys are gonna get this for $110. That's a killer deal. You got, and then that's the SDS hammer drill there. So these are all brand new tools, guys. I don't know what DeWalt was thinking, but they just had some awesome deals this year. 2021 is their deal year, basically. $299 for this table saw. This is 8 1/4. DeWalt table saw, top of the line. It's pretty much a compact table saw. You got angle grinder there, and then you got jigsaw for $129. Oscillating tool for $129. And then what the deal is here, you buy 2 tools for $179. You buy 3 tools for $265, or 4 tools for $349. It basically comes like the buy one get one free. It's the same thing. If you guys include that 2 battery combo kit there, and or starter kit with the tool, basically, and you can get those. So $99. This is on clear or new lower price or clearance. That hammer drill, guys. Just a short video for today. I will try and go to another store, see if I can get you guys some more deals, some Home Depot deals. Stay tuned for our Lowe's video. We're gonna have some killer deals on that video. Make sure you guys check it out. I will see you guys tomorrow. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon, and we'll see you guys on the next one. Thanks for watching.